These winding fields are known as a Mecca of the green tea farming in South Korea. As the dusk gathers, splendid displays of light and color start. The Kingdom of Light mesmerizes the tourists visiting the festival.
너무 예쁜 것들도 많고 사진 찍을 거리도 너무 많은 것 같아요. 커플분들 꼭 오셨으면 좋겠어요.
Visitors can propose to their lovers via a large-size LED screen installed at the festival venue. One of the highlights of the festival is the Millennium Tree that is decorated with more than 100,000 lights and has made its way into the Guinness Book of World Records. The Boseong Green Tea Festival is commonly acknowledged to be one of the country's major winter festivals. The Ulsan Grand Park Light Festival has also kicked off in the country's southeastern city of Ulsan. The highlight of the festival is the 11-meter star structure in front of the Rose Garden Fountain at Ulsan Grand Park, the venue of the festival. The fountain presents a multimedia light show. The Winter Light Festival set to run until January 27th.